When managing personal finances, separating your savings into different categories or goals is one of the most effective budgeting strategies. If you bank with Tangerine, you might be wondering how many savings accounts you are allowed to open under a single client profile. The short answer is yes, you can have multiple savings accounts with Tangerine Bank. Specifically, Tangerine allows individual clients to hold up to 10 non-registered savings accounts. This flexibility makes it very convenient to organize your money into distinct financial buckets, such as building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, setting aside cash for taxes, or funding a major purchase, without needing to open accounts across entirely different financial institutions. In addition to standard non-registered savings accounts, Tangerine also lets clients open other specialized registered savings options, such as tax-free savings accounts, registered retirement savings plans, and US dollar savings accounts, each subject to their own specific account limits and government regulations. Because Tangerine operates primarily as a digital bank with no monthly account fees for basic everyday savings products, maintaining multiple accounts to track your short-term and medium-term goals won't quietly drain your balance with maintenance charges. If you ever reach the limit of standard online account creation or need specialized setups, customer service representatives can assist with further adjustments. Utilizing multiple accounts effectively keeps your money distinct, prevents accidental overspending from your core balance, and gives you a clear visual snapshot of your progress towards specific monetary milestones. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.